All right, and on today's episode, we have Lotus Parboiled Rice, and we're hitting us with a Christmas rice. Yes, Khary, a Christmas.
Well, you see, I need to light, right? But the gas not on. so we had to turn on the gas.
You good there?
Hold on,
Is it on?
Regulator, this way.
A pretty festive rice. I'm excited for this one. Come on, like a pro. You doing this long time?
Now I'm doing this today. All right, so first things first, you're gonna add a little bit of
oil
oil to saute our aromatics.
I like your little bit of oil.
Yeah, because we also need to coat the rice, you know? So,
When it bubbles up, I'm holding the garlic and onion that we're gonna saute first.
yeah, so the nice thing about these firecrackers here, they're not easy to light, but once they get lit and they lighten, you know, there's push good heat.
Hi, a little garlic to go in it.
A little, once you get a little bubbles there, yeah.
Ever so slight, you ready?
Yeah, look at that.
All right, so
Yeah,
just knock out. So
yeah.
all
Right.
knock out with the spoon, give me a little scrape.
A little scrapey scrape. See, this is something I good at.
Perfect.
I could scrape things and cook things.
And then you're doing
half
half.
of it, yeah. All right, Tiff, so ready for the rice here?
Our Lotus
Come in a little closer here.
Parboiled rice.
Chrissy. So you're looking for the onions to soften a little, and now the rice is ready. And we want to coat the rice with this flavorful, you know, with the oil. We want it glistening. We want the flavors to start infusing into the rice from this point. Like
Just
already.
sauteing onion and garlic. Here, smells incredible.
No, I mean, like, once you start doing that, and you home and whatever, people
No,
already say you could cook.
Use a master chef.
Yeah.
You're just smelling, just from the smell alone.
Just pouring out our sorrel tea that we're gonna use to infuse the rice, because we're making Christmas rice, using some Christmas flavors, and I don't like color in there, so to get that color of for the rice, I'm actually using sorrel, which will give us that sorrel flavor, a little tartness, but also give us the color that, you know, people usually use in their Christmas rice. The rice is coated, it's glistening, so now we're ready to add our sorrel tea. So Tiff's gonna bring that for me, and what we did was steep some dried sorrel with some bay leaves, a stick of cinnamon. I actually put some parsley stems in there that I had from picking our parsley, and that goes right in.
And you'll tell me how much?
Yep. Yeah, keep pouring, because we want to cover the rice.
Gotcha, well, all went in.
Yep, that is good. So you know, in long time people making Christmas rice, they used to use food coloring. We're not about that food coloring life. So, made some sorrel tea with the same flavors. We had clove in there as well, so you get those very Christmassy, warm flavors. We're gonna do this here, and we can season this with just a little salt at this point, and we'll leave it to steam down. That should take about 20 minutes or so to be fully cooked. Then we'll get to the next stage. Yeah, you true. Go brave.
Somebody salt.
Brave.
We have things to sweeten it, so
Yeah. All right, Tiff.
let me see. Oh, wow. Come and
This is
see.
what we're looking for.
The rice is cooked.
It's cooked all the way through. What we're gonna do is reserve this in the meantime, clean up the pot, and then we're gonna saute the aromatics, add the garnishes, and yeah, that cashew.
All the pretty thing, all the nice stuff to make it Christmas rice.
Yeah.
So how you want these done, Khary? I just
Yeah, just a
prepping these cashews.
Yeah, rough chop,
Nice vibes.
and we're good to go. Yeah.
Yeah.
We still wait, like to have some size, so not fine.
No problem.
Yeah.
All right.
All right. Well, yeah, this.
We
really-
hot, yeah.
Yeah, that's good. I keep, you know, I'm so not accustomed to help, right? And when I do have it, all right, yep. Cashews, rice. Yep. Thank you.
Pass that.
Continental sauce now. You know how we do with the
God, you
pimento
know.
sauce.
In my Foodie Nation cup.
It's real nice, huh?
I love it.
Yeah.
All right. we're
All
good.
right, I'll take the cranberries and the parsley now, because this just about done.
All right, mix that and
Yeah.
then.
I'll take the parsley. One jam. Nicely. And look at that brightness. All right, we'll turn off the heat now. And just salt and pepper,
Sorry.
and we are good to go.
Christmas rice.
Right, just neaten up the pot now.